Hi, and welcome back to Blue's Garden. This is how to cold stratify your seeds for the best success. Cold stratifying seeds is an important step for a certain kind of species. The varieties that typically grow in colder climates need a cold stratification. That is, they need to have that pretend winter. Now, you can either do this by leaving your seeds outside, or you can toss them in the fridge, depending on what type of seed, for 2, 3, 4 weeks. And that will mimic cold stratifying outside in nature. Now, let me talk a little bit about chill hours versus cold stratification. Chill hours is typically for something like fruit trees. Certain varieties of trees, of fruit in particular, don't do well in warmer climates over the long term because they need a certain number of cool hours in winter or their dormant season, or else they just don't thrive. Apples, sometimes 600 hours of chill hours. Peaches, anywhere between 200 and 800 hours of chill hours. Cherries are similar. Certain types of fruit trees, those need those chill hours during their dormant season in order for them to thrive, as opposed to cold stratification, where the seeds themselves need to actually undergo that cold. And what actually happens is they actually will, any of the moisture in the seed itself inside will freeze and start to crack, stratify that seed coating. And then that means when things warm up, it's easier for the inside of the seed to actually germinate and grow. Here's a quick list of some seeds that typically need stratification, cold stratification. In fact, most of these need cold moist stratification in the fridge. You'll notice a lot of them are actually things that you'd find growing in New England. Now I'm going to take a look at some of the things I'm actually going to cold stratify. I'm, again, for the second year in a row, going to try beach plum, growing my own beach plum. They need, as a New England plant, they need cold stratification. So really what you need, in this case, they need that cold moist stratification. And the farm I bought these seeds from had a very specific set of instructions. Fill a Ziploc with some with some soil. I am going to, it's a slightly moist soil, then I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm actually going to try individually, because I think this was 5 seeds. No, it's 10. Sorry, 10. I'm going to take 2 at a time. I'm going to take 2 seeds at a time, moist paper towel in the bag with the moist soil. I will label all these individual bags. So a little bit of soil, paper towel, moisten, add a couple of seeds into the bag, and a total of 10 seeds, so 5 packages. And then inside a larger Ziploc, put all 5 of the smaller Ziplocs. I guess really this is all to retain the extra moisture that beach plums need. At the end, label everything. Hugely important, because right now I've got a bunch of different baggies, Ziplocs, in the fridge. I put the label, the date, and the seed name on there. Then into the fridge. The big bag of beach plum. It's an experiment. We'll see how it does. Next up is common English lavender. And another maritime plant, another oceanside plant that loves the growing in that area. Again, the only thing you need is a Ziploc, paper towel, the seeds, and some water. I will lay the tiny little lavender seeds out. I will spritz them on the paper towel, fold the paper towel over, spritz the paper towel, get that nice and moist. Then that goes into the Ziploc. So now you have the moist paper towel, the medium is the moist paper towel, the lavender seeds, and of course, most important, label everything into the fridge. And last up, purple coneflower. Again, this is a Loves New England area. Moist paper towels. The seeds, I'm going to do a couple of packets of these. 5, 10, maybe say 5 or 10 on each baggie Ziploc. And onto each paper towel, 5 or 10, fold them over. They're pretty moist, they're pretty damp. Then into the Ziplocs. Label these guys. And then last step is, of course, into the fridge. Now, I'm in luck because all of these are very similar. They all go in for about 3-4 weeks, something like that. Tiniest things ever. They're smaller. They make onion seeds look big. So how we do that? Strawberry likes winter, needs a winter to really help them. So I wet some paper towels. Next thing is to take these seeds, which are tiny, and sprinkle them out on the wet paper towel. It says 20 seeds. There's probably closer to 30 or 40 seeds in there. I'm just going to try and get a few. Really, you just want a few on each. You are going to fold the paper towels over. And then the paper towels will go in a Ziploc. So really, that's it. That's pretty much all there is to cold stratification. It's ridiculously easy. Make your seeds cold. You don't want to freeze them. That can crack them too much. That can kill them. So don't freeze them. The refrigerator is what you want. The other thing is there are differences between varieties of seeds that need cold stratification and cold moist stratification. Those are the ones that need moisture in them. Take a look at what varieties you're growing and make the choice. I hope some of this helps you. Really, the big thing is helping you grow better. And I hope that you can share this if it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.